What's going on, guys? Welcome to Rob's house. We got a fun video planned today. It's the middle of winter here in Eastern Tennessee, and I know I haven't posted a bunch of car stuff in a while. Been doing a lot of music stuff. The weather's been, it's been cold. Actually rained a lot last month. Haven't really been able to do much fun stuff. Got some stuff planned, got some stuff in the works. Spoiler alert here for everyone who watches the channel regularly. That'll be explained soon. Don't worry, that's gonna be cool. But I got something else today, something a little different, something to mix the channel up, and something a little more practical, but also kind of fun. I bought a truck. I bought a 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat, and here it is in my driveway, and we're gonna do the first mod on it today. Well, the second mod, technically. So it actually came with these aftermarket running boards. Pretty cool. And I already put a tonneau cover on it, so we got a backflip tonneau cover. So that was the first mod that I did, but we're going to do the second mod today, which is already in the trunk, which is a CORSA sport exhaust system, because this truck is just too quiet. But let me give you guys the cold start real quick, and I'll show you around the truck, and then we'll head over to the shop and get this exhaust installed. So here's what it sounds like right now. Very quiet, obviously, and we're going to change that today. It is the 5-liter Coyote motor with the 10-speed automatic transmission. We hop in the truck. We've got, we got the Lariat package, obviously. So this is a 2021, so this is the 14th gen. We got this like denim-looking wrap on the side with the wood trim, leather interior. And if we hop on in here and turn the truck on, this really cool built Ford Tough animation here, digital dash cluster, big infotainment screen. It does have heated and cooled seats. This is just like what the new 14th gen interior looks like, to give you guys an idea. I've always really wanted a truck, and the F-150s were always just, I thought, were super nice. And actually my old roommate, shout out to Brandon, he has had a couple of Ford trucks. He had 2 F-150s and an F-250. He currently has an F-150. He always loved it. I always loved riding around in it. It's got a ton of space in the back. As you can see, this is a Super Crew short bed. So what that means is we have the bigger seating for passengers in the back, and the bed is actually shorter. The standard bed length is a 6.5 foot. This is a 5.5 foot. Which is okay. I do want to get a car hauler at some point to haul all of the fun toys around. So I wanted something that could tow, something with more space, blah, blah, blah. And I just figured like the F-150 was the way to go. I did look at some of the other trucks, like the Silverado and the Ram. I just like the Ford the best. I like the interior the best. It has the Coyote, like I mentioned. So we're going to do some stuff with that. But today, like I said, we're just going to install a CORSA exhaust, give this thing some sound. I'll give you guys a before and after of sort of like what it sounds like. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys the new truck. If you like trucks, comment below. If you want to see truck stuff on the channel, comment below. I plan on doing quite a bit of modification to this truck. We're going to do some of the basics, obviously, like a regular exhaust system, like we're going to do today. We're also probably going to do leveling kit at some point, and I do actually want to do the Roush Supercharger kit on this, so that'll be super cool. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments about the truck. Let's head over to my buddy Shaggy's shop right now and get this exhaust installed.
On this episode of Rob's House, Shaggy works on his second Ford ever.
That's right. All right, stock exhaust sound. I don't think we're going to bore you guys with the install here. This is a pretty simple exhaust system. I'll show you the diagram here. It's basically just going to unbolt. Right now, it's just going along one side coming out. So we're just going to, it's a cat pack. We're just going to unbolt all that and then throw all this stuff on. And then we'll let you hear how it sounds. All right, guys, here it is. Corsa Sport Exhaust on F150. Oh, yeah. Way better. Way better.
Way better. Dude.
Way better. It's like perfect. It's not too loud. It's just like.
It went from coyote to coyote.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. That's Big shout out to the Shagster as always for the help. We banged this out in like what, an hour?
Yeah, if that 45 minutes. Man.
Yeah. Hold on. What time is it? 3:15. 1 hour.
Yeah.
Literally 1 hour. Not bad. And it looks great. I mean, the Corsa tips. Obviously, you get these nice big, aggressive tips with the Corsa logo. I opted for the black because we're going to be de-chroming this entire truck. So, you know, I'm going to do the black grille in the front and black lariat badges on the side to get rid of this chrome, black bumpers, right? Just we're going to get rid of all the chrome stuff. It'll match that. Eventually we'll get some wheels and tires after we do the leveling kit, and everything will match. It'll look sick.
It's going to look good, dude.
Yeah. You know what we do have to do now, though, before we do the other stuff we got to do today? We got to hear some LS's.
That's right.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's make it happen, Captain.
Yeah, fire up. Let her breathe. Breathe some corn. Yeah. Yep. The DR1, baby. Let's go. Dude, I love this car. I really do. It's actually one of the cleanest C6 ZR1s I've ever seen. I'm not even saying that because you're my friend. Like, it actually is. Uh-oh. She's got a blown transmission, but she still runs. She just doesn't move. Right up. Even though she's in sim, she fires right up. She's got a tamer exhaust on this, but it still sounds really good. 850 wheel. I can smell the corn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sleeper. This thing is a complete sleeper. Manual, CTSV wagon, 850 wheel. Wine. 850 wheel, am I correct?
860.
860 wheel? Nice.
860.
860 wheel horsepower, 860 wheel torque. She moves. Yeah. Things are nice, man. All right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today. I got to help Shaggy with some other stuff. He's actually putting a lift in the shop. I'm going to help him unload it right now. But that concludes it for this video. As usual, hope the video is entertaining. Hope the video is helpful. And I'll see you guys next time.